A huge thanks to the PEZ Queen of Sweden, Weronica Blixt. She sends me a message that says, Josh, I hope you will enjoy your new PEZ and that you will have a lot of fun. Big hugs. Of course I'll have a lot of fun. It's PEZ Candy. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So when you look at the very side of these glasses here on Hello Kitty, I guess these are some kind of spikes, and that's how they inserted them into the face. Ouch! Most of them have like these little pieces here that go behind your ears. Oh, I'm just saying. But when you look at these, maybe we need a micrometer. Maybe we need to get closer. Maybe not that close. Right. On the left, you can see it's a little bit thinner printing than on the right. Does that mean they were running low on ink on the stamp? Or does that mean they decided, hey, wait a minute, making these lines here, there we go, that's twice as much paint as this here. Hey, we can save on paint, guys. Let's thin them up. Still looks just as good. Remember, plastic factories make these wonderful toys that are used to push PEZ Candy products. And this is yet another variation of Hello Kitty. So until next time, thanks, Weronica.